All right, so after today, yay, I have 2 days break. Okay, all right, let's start this MAO right now. Let me do my recording, go. All right, 4th of June, Friday. Okay, cryptocurrency and other markets. Elon Musk, a fan of emo, right? When you say a person is a fan of emo, what does it mean? Can anyone tell me? When you say a person is a fan of emo, what does it mean? Can you tell me? Anyone can tell me what is a fan of emo? Anyone can tell me? Like to be sad. Okay. Flip-flops all the time. Okay. Sad emo. Okay. Any more? Only look at the negative. Oh, okay. Leon. Okay. Fair enough. All right, so indeed you are all right. Okay, it's a person who is very emotional, and yes, is that the person emo will flip from positive to negative. Right. So I think if you would ask me about Elon Musk, I think he's really like that. Now I read his book. A person who like loose emoticons. Okay. All right. Okay. Prata. I think only Singaporean understand what's Prata. Stephen. Simon, easy, led by trend follower. Okay. Anyway, you guys are all correct. Okay. So in short itself, right? I read Elon Musk's book, the one that he approved. And I tell you this after the whole book, right? I know that this guy is all right. If you're going to be with him, seriously, you really need to be able to tolerate him, because he really will have his emo outbreak anytime, once in a while. All right. Either he's a genius that he knows how to use his emo to control people, or he is just basically like that. That's why, he basically had his marriage was, he married, divorced, married again, and I think this time divorced again. Not too sure already, lost track already. But that is how it is. It's not easy to live with a man like this. But definitely he's a genius, of course. So that's why if he's a genius that used this emotion of human being, then I tell you, that means that he really top class level. So why do I talk about this? If you don't know what's happening right now, then you are actually under the rock. Why? I'll tell you very shortly, but before we start this thing again, once again, please understand this. If you read this disclaimer right now, you have indemnified me, okay? So I give you 5 seconds to make the decision call. If you are staying on, that means that you indemnify me, right? You read this disclaimer already. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, Bitcoin has fallen, all right? 5% because of one tweet one tweet to be precise, or 2 tweets in a way to be precise, from Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk basically had just tweeted. All right, the thing is, this is just done early this morning. All right, and that means it's about late night last night in America lah. Okay, so now it's almost in everywhere. Elon Musk Bitcoin dropped after Elon Musk tweets broken heart emoji for token. Right, Elon Musk break up with Bitcoin. Cryptic tweet, all right, has sent some crypto bulls fearing for the worst. And this is what is happening right now. Have you all saw this tweet? Have you saw it? All right. Have you saw it? You know what's going on? Yeah. So what did he tweet? Okay, so you can see, hold on, there's some PowerPoint issue again. Okay, hold on. So from Straits Times, straight from the local mainstream media, Bitcoin dropped after Elon Musk tweets broken heart emoji for token. All right. So what did he write? So this is what happened. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I think there's some problem with this one. Wait. Okay. There we go. Okay. So Bloomberg covering this story. Bitcoin slides after a crypto tweet by Elon Musk, hinting that a potential split with the largest cryptocurrency. The latest post from the billionaire to buffet the token price. Now, apparently it's right. I told you guys before that, when Elon Musk says that he will not sell Bitcoin and all those things as well, right? I say that there is a small possibility that he could have done it, or he have already done it, because why? What is that happening? Because I told you guys that because China is not that very happy with him, with all the cryptocurrency market and the way he is promoting it. And of course, you can see from this morning MAO, China side is now telling people that, hey, you know what? If you have Tesla cars, you must be careful and things like that. Don't you realize that? This what happened? Don't you see that this China is giving him a lot of problem? Yeah, indeed. So now even he would tell the whole world that he's no longer with Bitcoin, right? I'm not going to be half surprised, honestly, because he had to pay, which is the better thing for himself. So what happened? Immediately the coin dropped by 3.4%. Okay. So notably, must remember this, the tycoon last month reversed a decision to allow purchases of Tesla machine, right? So I'm quite sure you know how the Chinese work itself, right? If they don't want things to be done, they will definitely go to the head and get this. That's what happened to Alibaba. Remember back then itself with the Ant Financial. So to me, when I see this, right, I just see the immediate link down there. Don't you think that way? How many of you think that this is all linked? If you think that, right, Elon Musk from when he decided not to have Bitcoin used for this crypto for this Tesla, and today now he tweeted this, do you think that it's all linked to the Chinese government? What do you think? If you think yes, please key the word yes. If you say no, can you give me your own views? How you see why Elon Musk out of nowhere suddenly decided to tweet something like this? All right, just to show you what did he tweet, right? So he basically wrote in his Bitcoin a broken heart with the emoji and the lyrics from a very popular song In the End by Linkin Park. In fact, I love this song from Linkin Park, all right? So recently, right, he got sued in a way, all right? He was like, in a way, was being affected, like in a way, it's not sued, sorry, I take back my word. He basically, right, people was asking him to be careful because apparently, right, he tweeted this baby shark thingy, remember? Right, one of the jingle. All right, so what did he tweet? Now, this is what happened. Okay, this is what from Elon Musk, okay? I know I said it will be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, but I found someone else. And him, so in the end, it didn't even matter, right? Do you realize this? This is a quote, it's a song lyric from the song from Linkin Park. So why do he say that? So why he do that? What is his whole point here itself, right? Why did he put a Bitcoin there and broken heart? That means that it's pretty sure that he's very upset with Bitcoin, right? So what is actually happening right now? So that is the market is trying to speculate. He's not giving any answer to this. I'm sure he will do it later. So of course now we have a lot of stuff running internet. So I'm sorry, just in case I get banned. So I did a Monsac sound of words, but I think you will know what does it mean, right? Okay, while looking at the husband, I assume. All right, obviously the husband is say, do you want S? Okay, then Elon Musk has already F me. When I look at this, obviously the original text looks better, but because I have to be very careful. So, wow, this is what is happening right now. It's so funny, I tell you that. I tell you this, everybody now is going to be panicking. Everybody will say, oh my God, what's going to happen soon? And of course, now people are saying this, is it because he is doing all this so that he can push people to Dogecoin? Now, this is quite interesting, all right? This is quite interesting because if he really do that, right, wow. So imagine this, if all the Elon Musk fans decided to drop Bitcoin and move to Dogecoin, oh my God, do you know what will happen? Seriously? So let's take a look in the market right now and see what is he trying to do. So I'm going to bring you to Elon Musk's Twitter account right now, okay? Let's go and take a look. Now, if you go to Twitter, if you're at Twitter, just key the word Elon Musk. You'll be able to follow him, no problem. You don't need his request. He can just follow him. Now, he just tweeted, by the way, not too sure what he mean by Canada, US, and Mexico. Let's see right now and see what does he have to say. Now, again, apology because... oh my God, look at it. Elon Musk is bullish on CUM. Oh my God. And yes, indeed, look at CUM. Oh my God, look at it. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. No wonder. I was just thinking out loud. It's like, what is this? And why was he on a tweet? See Canada, USA, and Mexico. Oh my God. This is really incredible, man. This is really nuts. Oh my God. This is so funny. All right. I really think that this Elon is really, if he's really mean that, I mean, he's really, really a genius, man. I didn't see this. I only saw this out earlier. I didn't know that about how it rhymed. Oh my God. Oh shit. Okay, anyway, this is what he tweeted 5 hours ago. That means it's like, now it's 2:44 p.m. So it's about 5 hours, about 10 p.m. Singapore time. That is where he killed this one. And of course, when he did that, right, oh my God, instantly the market really reacted. All the comments is so funny. All right, so this is the classic one. Yeah, I like this one. I miss you. Why are you crying? Because I miss you too. The I miss you too is this one. Look at it. This is really one of the most crazy joke, really. All right, and of course now you can see this one is what is seeing right now. You see, Elon go and talk to Doge and then throw the coin, and Tesla is dead. I mean, Twitter got a lot of very dark joke. I mean, if you can accept it, you go and take a look. It's very funny. But of course, some of them are very dark. Some of them are not very nice. So please be very careful. But FYI, he has 56.4 million followers. Wow, look at it. And of course, Wall Street bets are WSB, are all following him itself. All right. So he's really very incredible. So of course, Bitcoin, what's happening right now? Let's see a refresh on the chart here on CoinDesk. Okay, it's recovered from the low. It was down to 35,000 earlier. Now it's back to 36,800. And of course, all of them got hit. Even Dogecoin also came down, right? So it doesn't seem to be buying into that. Okay, so it seems to be even all across the board, and all of them got being hit. Okay, all right, that's a good joke, man. Oh my God, I laugh. Okay, so with that is all right. Then, well, of course, now UK also added pressure in today. UK says that, right, they are going to really go for it. Up to 50 companies dealing in digital assets such as Bitcoin could be forced to stop trading immediately. Wow. Okay, so what happened is that because they failed to comply to the UK anti-money laundering rules, so the FCA, all right, came in, and then to stop them from doing it, because they feel that, right, there's a significant high figure of breaking the anti-money laundering law. And because of that itself, right, the people is saying, even the governor of Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, he said that, right, investors may lose all their money if they continue to dabble into the cryptocurrency. Because cryptocurrency is not covered by the UK scheme. So if investors lose money, right, they cannot claim. So the ECB also compared that the Bitcoin is like the tulip mania. So this is also very interesting. So now we have UK, BOE, we have the ECB, all not very happy with this, but of course USA is absolutely fine with that. So now even like banks like Goldman Sachs, Standard Chartered, and yesterday Citibank, the Goldman Sachs, Standard Chartered, JP Morgan, all of this, they are all coming into crypto. So it's all how you see it now is the banks versus so-called the central banks versus the banks itself. So basically, this is also adding pressure down onto Bitcoin as a whole. All right, so this is what the news right now. So let's take a look at how our trading is yesterday. Now, yesterday, we did reasonably well, pretty good. Yesterday, we basically followed through. We saw the KCX indicator turning from blue to green. You go up. Now, for this first trade, we lost money, so I drew an X down there. The second trade, we waited, and then the sign came in, and of course, we went long. Then there was a third trade, which went very well. You can see that. And of course, the fourth trade also went okay. 2 ticks. 2 ticks meaning, right, okay, 1 tick is 300 points, 2 ticks is 500 points, and 3 ticks is 800 points. So that means that minimally, the market has to scale up. So what we do is that when we take profit, right, we aim 300, 500, 800. Then we put our trailing stop in between. If the market pulls back, then we get out. So this is what is happening. Okay. Well, if this is like not going to be nice for you, you can actually exit. No worry, Karen. Take care. All right. So this is what happened for us. We have basically 4 trades. Yesterday, 4 trades out of 5 trades, we have 4 wins. Okay. All right, so no worries on that. Let's continue. And yesterday we have 4. Then over here, let's take a look. Yesterday for our Ethereum, we have basically 4 out of 4 trades. Right, we have basically the market coming in, okay, where the KCX blink. All right, and then after that, color change came in. Same thing again for Ethereum itself, as I mentioned to you. So that is how we go with the trade. So yesterday we have Ethereum. This one only got 2 ticks, that's 1 tick. All right. So yesterday for Ethereum is 4 out of 4. Okay. So this is what happened for our trading, and you can see pretty clearly, as long as you follow the rule, you should be able to make some good money from it. And every day I will be posting this because we don't want people to, say that we are just saying for fun. We will tell you exactly, and we show you the screenshot of it every single day. All right. So of course, those who have inside our group chat already, you have received the message from us. Now, every time when our traders are trading live, they will update through the Telegram channel. And of course, if we put 2 ticks, right, that means that we are very optimistic that the market will be pretty good. Now, basically, we have added another still testing out condiment into our trading. And if we know that this is all is there, then we will inform through the channel. So no ticks means that we are not that confident. 1 tick is good enough. 2 ticks is that we are confident. All right, so that is what happened. And of course, yesterday, we have already made some money from the Bitcoin market. So this is the aftermath, and what you can see that all the TP levels are given based on what we give through the Telegram channel, okay? All right, so this is what happened today. Today at 4th June at 11:37 a.m., we actually gave the BTC and we gave 2 ticks. And that means that we are confident that the market will be going up. And truth be told, the market really go to where our target is. By 11:44 a.m., that means about 10 minutes later, we already hit our first 2 target already. And after that, after the first 2 target was met, the market pulls back down. And that was around the time where Elon Musk started to give his twittering, right? So that's why we can see very clearly how we can actually benefit from the market using the system. Okay? All right, now people have already registered with us. All right, for our event, our workshop, right? This is what we're going to have 7 topics on fundamental, 2 topics on the TWB system. Now, for those people who have already paid for it, just FYI, because we're trying to link the video up, there's some little technical problem here. Don't worry. All right, I think by this weekend, we will be able to resolve this. Then after that itself, right, don't worry. We will still make sure that you have your 2 months accordingly. Don't worry about that. Okay, then the BTC and the ETH indicator will be given to you guys. Now, the crypto Telegram group, you're already inside there. And of course, the channel you'll be put into so they can actually get the calls from us. Anytime we'll trade from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight. Anytime we trade, you'll be on the channel. All right, you text Susan, but no response. Or is it? Do you text the right number? 88685030. If you did that, please, can you show us? Can you just try again, Susan? Okay. All right, there's this person, Song Wei. Oh, sorry, Wei Song, sorry. All right. Sorry, we not. Susan just said she never received anything. Okay, never mind. Is it no response? Serious? Okay, never mind. Maybe Susan now will text you right now. Okay, she will now through personal message and message you right now. All right. Okay, maybe sometime things may happen. All right. All right, so do note this the TWB revision group, you only be entitled to 1 month. It's not for long for life for this, not forever. Okay, it's only for 1 month, this revision group. Okay, but the crypto channel, it will be with you as long as you are a subscriber. So after 2 months later already, right? If you want to continue to subscribe, right? Per indicator is at $96. So you can choose either Bitcoin or choose Ethereum. If you want to choose both, that means you have to pay $96 times 2 right, every month. So of course, if you want to focus on one, which I really encourage you to focus on one, then you just take one of them and concentrate with it. Okay? All right. Okay, thank you. All right, so I have just covered the global market news, and now we go to the technical side of the market, shall we? Now the technical side, let's take a look. Thank you, this Wei Song. All right, Susan will contact you shortly. Now, this is the Bitcoin chart. Now, let me say something here about Bitcoin chart, right? This is not very pretty, okay? Now, what happened is that yesterday we do have the CCRY color change from yellow to red to yellow, sorry. So by right, yesterday was a buy, which we bought, and we make about 1,000 points from down there. That was a very good ride. But today, the market have changed to red color, although the market haven't finished it, so we cannot call for a sell. But this is not good, my friend. This is not good. If the market today closed a red bar, this is not a very healthy sign. Now, the only thing that is the good part is that the KSI is still green in color. So that means the whales are also trying to buy as the price come down. But I will say this, if the Bitcoin loses 36,278, okay? All right, then the market may come down all the way to 33,600. So which means that, right, if let's say if this Bitcoin really go below 36,278, Bitcoin can come down all the way to 33,000 area. So this is going to be a bit scary, all right? Because you know why? We are not too far away from the recent low. And I've been saying this, as long Bitcoin don't cross 43,000, likely Bitcoin will go down again. And truth be told, with this Elon Musk texting this now, and if he does that, if he really just for the fun of texting this for fun, I tell you this, people will not take him serious anymore next time. But if he texts this because he got something to tell the world, and if it's not going to be good, I can tell you this, the Bitcoin can come down severely. All right, so this is my personal take. So I will not be looking to buy Bitcoin after from now until we have more clarity like what his point is. So can I share with you that you can, from now till he clarifies himself, right, don't get into Bitcoin first. Because if let's say he really did it on just for fun, so not so bad. But if he did something really serious, then that one may showcase on the weekend, and I tell you, this may actually plunge the market. So don't cherry pick right now. Wait for a while. All right, this is my personal take, okay? Don't. That's why I already informed our traders already, stop trading on Bitcoin from now onwards, okay, for time being for now, until we get some clarity on what this Elon Musk is doing. All right? Okay, so this is going to be very, very important. Don't do that, okay? So we also will stop our this Bitcoin tweeting in terms of our trade calls. I will just tell them to stop now. Yeah, because it's not fair. If things goes wrong, it's very dangerous. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, all right. So this is what I'm quite worried for. So traders, you heard me? If you guys have heard me, please key heard for me. If you heard what I just say, right? Please key the word heard. H-E-A-R-D. All right. That means you heard me and you understand that don't take the risk if you heard me. All right, because you really don't know what will happen. Because you look at it from the Bitcoin chart, right? If you notice this, my friend, I want to show you this. Because if you notice, if Bitcoin is to really come down, all right, this is the so-called, right, the so-called imaginary line support, right, which is about 29,300. Now, you notice if really, if this Elon Musk really have something terrible to tell us, right, this one can go really crazy now. That means we can see something like this. How much is that? Well, this is actually about 21,000. Yeah, 21,000 level. So please don't play with this. This is quite scary, okay? All right. So this is why I'm quite worried. Right. If it's Bitcoin pullback, correctional pullback, that's fine. Well, this is very normal. But if let's say someone is such influential like this Elon Musk, and he basically released something that is terrible, right? Things can go crazy, okay? This can really go crazy. Because, you know, we have seen it before, right? Last time when this happened, where the Bitcoin went down by 10,000 points. So it is possible, because from 29,000 to 21,000 is about 8,000 to 9,000 points. So this is all possible in the world, all right? Now, what if really it comes down to 21,000? Then what will I do? Then I can tell you upfront. If really, because of Elon Musk say something, then after that created the Bitcoin to crash down at 21,000 level, I will definitely suggest you to buy something. Machine buy some Bitcoin. Yeah, because after if he clear out, right, then maybe the market will have enough of him. Then the people who may want to come in may come in at this point here. Now, of course, if you come in at 21,000 example, then if Bitcoin go to 100,000 in a later stage, right, of course, it's 5 times, even better, right? Just like what happened in AMC when this, the China Dalian Wang Da, right, when they get out of this AMC shares instead from $21 shoot up, $12, sorry, shoot up to $60. It is all possible. So I rather think that way lah. So why bother to waste ammunition now? Wait for a while and see how it goes. Okay, wait for a while. All right, no need to jump in. I say, all right, clear. All right, so that is my view lah on the Bitcoin. So will that affect Ethereum? Of course, it will affect Ethereum. Definitely, they are all linked. But for Ethereum itself, right, I don't think the effect will be that great. So maybe around here is my personal take, as I told you before. 2,000 or lesser will be a good level to buy. So if Bitcoin crashes off, then Ethereum comes down, right? If I were to put a level in to give a marker here, I would think that we can put somewhere based on a chocolate bar. Yeah, should be here. Yeah, okay. I don't think you go there, but just in case, about 1,300 level. Okay, I don't think so you go that way, but again, when the market go crazy, you may want to put. So today will be a good day to go and buy some USDT first. I repeat, today will be a good day to buy some USDT first. Then you set up your buy limit order. Yeah, set up some buy limit order into the market and let the market, let the market decide for a while, okay? All right, let the market decide. Then after that, you can actually, at the lower end, just put a buy limit order and let it be filled. Of course, you put it far, far away so that you can actually get it filled. All right, because you put buy limit order, if the market flush down, right, your limit order will be given to you. Because we have seen before, right, there's some occasion where the market is coming down very fast. What happened over the weekend? The system hang and your orders can't go in. But if your buy limit order is there, usually they will fulfill for you. Okay? So buy some USDT first today. It'll be a good idea. Okay? Correct? Clear? Okay, so that is my take just to play safe. Okay, just to play safe. Okay. So now we look at this Bitcoin in terms of the chart wise. Wow, look at it. The chart wise for the MA11, it was supposed to be supported, right? Now at 36,600, it's trading below the MA11. So not a very good sign. So in terms of trend, it is not good, not pretty. Now Ethereum, also you can see that now the MA70 is the resistance, which is perfectly blocked, and now it's getting support at this MA11 at 2,600. So now if this is going to be contained around this area, that's still okay. But if it breaks down, then I would say that, right, chance of going down to 2,000 is a much, much higher level. So if Ethereum breaks below 2,600, there is a fine potential for it to drop down to $2,002 to $2,000 on the chart based on conventional. So it's about 2,002, which is here, or 2,000. Okay? All right, so that is my view. So the thing is this, let us see what will happen. All right, remember we have this game, remember? We're supposed to have this game, right? About what will be the value of this Bitcoin, remember? We're supposed to have this game, this coming Sunday. I think that with this Elon Musk thingy, is all right. Some of you may not get it correct. Let's see, okay? Okay, all right. So that is my sharing for now. So tonight, US is the non-farm payroll. So also be very careful. This is going to be creating a bit of movement in the market. So that's why today could be a very volatile day. Okay, so let's now cross over to see the today financial market. Now today's financial market, until now, we have seen some selling in the morning, but now the market seems to be buying back again. So that is showing that the relentless buying in the financial market. Okay, the Nasdaq has came down, touches the 50% retracement level, but now again has rebounded, but it's still heavily resisted by the MA30. So that's why There's a lot of buying from the bottom, but the selling is equally strong. So let's see end of the day who will win. S&P 500 dropped all the way down to MA30 earlier, but now rebounded strongly. So because you can see that the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones all recovered. Now for Hang Seng also came down today. Hang Seng this morning gap up, then now it went down, touches the MLP beautifully. It touches MLP beautifully and rebounded already, but still ended down at the moment. DAX is now trading higher and beautiful. Look at it. The market opened perfectly at MLP and now it's trading upwards. So that's why I say our MLP is a very powerful tool. And I believe it's recognized by a lot of traders. Now this is Hong Kong China A50. Now China A50 just now went up all the way. And remember, I gave you a very strong, important resistance I draw here, right? 5 days ago. And incredibly, the market really stopped there. Oh my God. Crazy, right? 18,387 is a level that I mentioned. And the market touched and come back down. Incredible. As if that the market know this technical level. So for all the PTP students, now you understand why it's all right. Our technique really is very useful. Okay? Pretty cool, huh? All right, so that is China A50. About gold market, now gold is quite interesting today. It has went down initially, but now it's trading back above the opening price. So as long as gold stay above 1868, gold should be going higher because that is a MA30, which is already triggered this morning. And now it's trading, trying to stay above that 1868. All right, so watch out for that, 1868. If gold go down below 1868, there will be again some selling again. Now for silver, silver now is trading below the moving average of $27.60. So silver is not moving exactly like gold. So traders must be careful on silver. And of course, last one will be crude oil. Crude oil is still stabilizing. And I told you, as long as crude oil stay above $68 MLP, crude oil could go for 69. And I think it's really happening right now. Okay. All right, so that is all the markets. I think one more is Nikkei. Nikkei is pretty flat right now. Went down below the MLP, but now has climbed up. So overall, it's all right for today. The market has climbed up above OP, but back to near OP level is because tonight we have the FOMC figure. We have the non-farm payroll figure at 8:30, right? Non-farm payroll. So usually by now 3 p.m., if the market is not moving, likely from 3 p.m. until 8:30, the market won't move anymore. I repeat myself. If the market go back to OP, right, that means very likely from now till 8:30, market will be very sideways already. Yeah, they will not move because everybody will be waiting for the non-farm payroll to come out, the data at 8:30. So you can see that if you look across the board, you see all the market now are all trading near the opening price. So this tells you that the market is not going to have any direction for now. You can see that all of them are trading near the opening price. Okay, so traders, do take note. Remember that, do take note. This is the, tonight we have the non-farm payroll. So make sure that you guys know what to do. All right, DAX just move up just now. Yeah, 5 minutes ago, just move up because of the cash market opening. Okay, that will be all for today's sharing. And I already told you my personal view. So take note and be very careful with what the Bitcoin may offer over this weekend. Last weekend, the market was quiet. So maybe this weekend we have things happening. So traders, have a great day.